Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix number lock beeping problem and numeric key not working in keyboard in Windows 10 machine. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. Now I am going to turn on or turn off number lock beeping, and I am trying to write something numeric. I cannot type number. Okay, now I am going to fix this problem. Let's click on start menu and then go to settings. And find here each of access mouse settings. Now see, this is your problem. Turn off this and now turn on number lock and type and fix your problem. If you like this video, give a like for this video and share your feelings by comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.